Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token coin. Now remember, Tectonic token started this year with an impressive price, and we have been talking about Tectonic token hitting a massive increase in price, and also Binance are all in for Tectonic token. Remember, they earlier added this coin on their watch list, not just Binance, even Coinbase. Now Tectonic token have gotten the support of BVS Finance and Crypto.com, and also Volcanic City. Now Binance actually saying that they will be supporting a lot of small cap coin this year 2023, and I know one of them things Binance will consider before accepting some of the small cap coin is the number of holders they have, and also the exchanges that have listed this coin. Now Tectonic token is being hosted by Crypto.com, and it's being also listed by VPN Finance and Crypto.com, and also now Volcanic City. But with just 3 exchanges, this coin has maintained a massive increase in price, and Tectonic token have gained over 11 to 12 million dollars market cap within the space of 10 days. Okay, and I believe that is going to continue, because this coin is definitely become one of the biggest coin in the history of what small cap coin. Although we know that it's difficult for some coin to hit the level of Floki Inu, the level of Dogecoin, the level of Shiba Inu, but when you consider Tectonic token, the plan they have, the thing they've achieved in the space of 1 year, I think they are really warming up. Don't be surprised very soon. I believe Binance will be coming in for Tectonic token. Binance also said they'll be supporting a lot of these coins, and I believe that Tectonic token is going to become one of the coins Binance will be accepting, and Binance will be at least listing very soon. If Binance lists Tectonic token, we are expecting a massive increase in price, over between 2,000 to 10,000% increase in price. But definitely, of course, if this coin keep increasing in price, I believe that Tectonic token is going to hit almost 1 penny, 1 cent. And but for now, Tectonic token have about 6 zeros at the time of recording this, and I believe this coin is definitely going to become one of the biggest coin very soon. But please remember, this is a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking